I often get asked, if you follow my detailed instructions, will you be a success? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I think about success and how to ensure with absolute certainty that you, yes, you, are a success. Now, if you like this kind of information, well, I'm helping you make money on Amazon right here in Australia. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way I will know that you want more information just like this. Also consider you should subscribe to my YouTube channel because we post brand new money-making information just like this each and every day. And if you've got any questions, comments or feedback, boom, comment below and I'll answer it for you personally too. With that being said, let's go. Let's talk about success. So, somebody messaged me. I've had a lot of people message me in the last week. Lots of very creative ideas for things to help me get for me to do for them. Very interesting. Anyway, so somebody said to me, paraphrasing, Neil, if I follow your instructions, that's the AOE training course, do you think I'll be successful? Okay, which is a very, very interesting question to ask. It's also a very, very interesting question that I asked myself when I put together the AOE training course, which basically amounted to how can I teach people the fundamental step-by-step processes and strategies required to build a business on Amazon given their own variable, unique situations. Okay, that was pretty much the question I asked myself when I set up the AOE training course, which we're just updating now. Anyway, so I thought it'd be kind of useful to go through a couple of things and in light of also just launching a new business, I thought it'd be kind of useful to go through some things for you to consider when we're doing that. So this is going to be true for 99.9% of people who are starting a business, okay? So here they are. Number one, it will be a complete pain in the ass. Like huge. It'll be a massive pain in the ass for you. Number two, stuff won't work at first. This is the big revelation that I think school and jobs does its utmost to beat out of people, which is why school and jobs are horrible places for entrepreneurs, because what you are repeatedly told is not to fail. Repeatedly. And as an entrepreneur, what you must repeatedly do is fail. You must keep trying different things until something works. Okay? It's anathema to what you're taught in schools, universities, although, you know, some, like when I did psych at university, we would do experiments, and so things like that, maybe that was very, very useful for me. But things like that, you know, when you're running experiments, you just get to learn to be dispassionate and just report data. Anyway, and a job, failing your job, you lose your job. But as an entrepreneur, you are actively wanting to get to success as quickly as possible. The way you get to success is by failing a lot first. It's crazy, but it's there. Think about, as a very, very simple example for you, we all hopefully know how to ride a bike, but when you are learning how to ride a bike, you spend a lot of time putting your feet down, stabilizing yourself, maybe even falling off of the bike. You spend a ton of time doing that until you find out how to do it, and then you get to be free. Entrepreneurship's exactly the same. You spend a lot of time where it doesn't work, okay? And this is why lots and lots of people quit, because they have been conditioned that if something doesn't work first time, it's not for them. And that's just not true. If it didn't work first time, You just got to try something else. And you keep doing that until you find the way it works. We have, internally at Raw Local, we have a term, very, very technical term, for things that work the first time. And we call those things a fucking miracle. That's what we call them internally, because they never ever do. Okay? Anyway, so that's the big thing, I think, to grasp. And so if you study the AOE training course, will you become a success? Yes. If you take into consideration that you are learning, okay? You are learning. And when you learn anything, the way that your brain actually operates is to try out lots, like a broad spread of things, and over time it narrows in on the thing that works. That's how the brain works. And so to expect anything else means that you don't get to learn. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are the fastest growing community of professional e-commerce sellers right here in Australia, with sales of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and also come and join us, you can get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is right in the description, and I will see you on the inside. Until next time, bye.